I built a GRC AI agent in my GRC lab, and you won't believe what happened next. My active users went from 1900 to 3700. The views jumped from 22,000 to 64,000, and the average time spent in the lab went from 5 minutes to over 8.5 minutes. So in this video, I'll show you what I built, how I built it, how to use it, and how everything still works for free. If you are new here, I'm John. Welcome to GRC Made Simple. I built this channel and the lab to make GRC practical, hands-on, and easier to understand for people who are trying to break into this field. And over time, the lab has grown into something much bigger than I expected. What started as a free GRC hands-on practice environment has now evolved into something even more powerful, a GRC AI agent built right inside the lab. Not just a chatbot, but something actually works like a GRC copilot while you practice. And this is the part that got me excited, because I didn't want to build AI just to say, hey look, I added AI. I want to build something that can actually help people think through GRC better. So in the lab, I added GRC AI Agent, which can help users review what they built, spot gaps, guide next steps, help with mapping, and basically make the whole learning experience feel much more guided and real. So instead someone opening the lab and just wondering, okay, what do I do now? Now the AI agent will help you where to start, what to do, act as a project coach, and help you through guided missions. That is the shift. The reason I built this is simple. One of the biggest problems in GRC learning is that people learn theory, but they actually struggle with practice. They study frameworks, they pass the exams, and they even try to memorize the terms. But when it comes to actually doing the job, thinking through risk, evidence, findings, that's where they get stuck. Even with a hands-on lab, they still need guidance. They need something that can help them think like a GRC professional while they are practicing. That's why I built the AI agent. I wanted the lab to feel less static and more like having a senior GRC copilot beside you. How does it work? Inside the lab, the AI agent is built into the workflow, and on the build side, I integrated using WebGPU and WebLLM. So bringing that into the lab was a huge step for me, because it made the experience feel much more modern and much more powerful. In order to start the WebGPU agent, click Save Config, load the knowledge index, and enable WebLLM. For the first time, to initialize WebLLM, it might take 3 to 4 minutes, but for the second and third time, it will load way faster, like you can see right now. Once the WebLLM is active, you can proceed to the AI command, and this is the analyst console. So it has over 212 commands, and there are different prompts. You can directly use it from here. So let's start with capabilities and see what this AI agent can do. So it can give you a full lab review, analyze models, analyze attachments. It can analyze your current lab posture across assets, risk, controls, treatments, evidence, testing, findings, and tasks. Explain controls, frameworks, implementation choice in plain English for project works. It not only draft manager grade policies, procedures, map them to controls and evidence. You can also add, view, delete, and search records in all the lab modules using generic or module specific root commands. And here we have all the 200 command palette. So let's start with full lab review and see what it does. Full lab review. So it basically gives you the full review of the lab, shows you all the assets, vendors, policies, risk, pretty much everything. It also shows the priority gaps, traceability metrics, program score. So you can use it to understand what you're doing, review your work, get help with what to do next, and strengthen your thinking as you move forward through the lab. And honestly, I think this is important in GRC learning because GRC should not feel like endless reading. It should feel like practice, decision making, analysis, connecting the dots, and understanding how everything flows together. And that's what I'm trying to build here, a place where people do not just read GRC but actually practice it. For beginners, that means less confusion. For career switchers, that means more confidence. And for community overall, I think this is much more practical direction for how GRC learning should evolve. For me personally, this has been a huge movement because this lab started as an idea and then it became a project. People started using it and now it turned into something genuinely help people engage with GRC in a much more practical way. And seeing those numbers grow from 1900 active users to 3700, 22,000 views to 64,000 views, and average time spent crossing more than 8.5 minutes, that actually means a lot to me because those numbers tell me people aren't just opening the lab out of curiosity. They are exploring, they are learning, and they are actually using it, and that pushes me to keep building more. I just want to thank everyone who opened the lab, used it, shared it, gave feedback, and supported the vision because without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. Thank you so much. And that's the story behind GRC AI Agent. If you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. The link will be in the description and the lab is free. Test it, use the AI agent and let me know what do you think. If you believe GRC learning should be practical and hands-on, then like the video, subscribe to GRC Made Simple and follow the journey because we are just getting started.